Good morning, everyone. Just dropping my child off to school. Remember when I shared with you that day where we had like tremendous favor? I hadn't had my hair done in ages. And so this is gonna be a really amazing experience. And this symbolizes so much because not only am I just like literally transforming on a physical level, but it's just a reflection of the things that are happening spiritually in my life. The Bible says, know the season you're in. Because when you know the season you're in, then you can recognize the things that God is doing to bring the season to pass. This is like part of this 40-day launch that I want to document. People don't oftentimes document their blessings, but I need to. If you're going to come with me on this 40-day journey, then I want you to see how God brings about transformation. All right, gang, just dropped off my son. We're going to go to the hair salon now. So here I am at the beauty salon. We're gonna go in and I'll try to give you some behind the scenes of my transformation. Ready? Let's go. 안녕하세요.
Oh, hi.
Hi. So I'm with Eunice.
Hi.
Hello. So everyone, look, this is the before shot.
Okay.
My hair is, before. It's long, it's flowy. That's cool. Getting there. Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for getting ready with me. We're doing foundation today, and it says True Skin. It's by Catrice Cosmetics. I'm not a really good judger of what is a good foundation, but I do know that the closer it is to your skin tone, the better. And you definitely want to go like one shade lighter, if anything. We're gonna take our Tarte eyebrow gel, remove the glasses, put the mirror right in front of you. So I'm just gonna not even draw eyebrows. I just want to enhance what I have. So just getting that contour going. And that's basically like what I do. Like, I'm not really artsy, like how I said. I'm not a makeup artist. So I just brush it in so it doesn't look like I drew my eyebrows. I feel that makeup application is really just about blending it. Now's the time for eyeliner. You don't really want to be a cartoon illustration. You just want to highlight. You just want to highlight folds, creases where they go properly. So we're not cats, right? There, already things are starting to look great. Make the crease a little darker and then kind of feather it out with the darkest color. So for the inside, right here. Okay, I'm gonna use the middle part right here for the crease. And then we're gonna use Stargazer, which is the dark brown here, for I am gonna put on the foundation. And ta-da! Here's my skin. Does it look natural? Does it look like it's my color? We'll soon find out. Here's a bronzer. There's different ways of applying the bronzer, but you want a kabuki brush because you want that subtleness to the, to the color. You don't want this to be like
obvious, but you want subtle. You just make that outward stretch. If you need to blend, go ahead and blend. Go ahead and just kind of look at it from an artistic point of view. We're on the side of the nose. Like. I think this looks great. Finally, we are going to do our lips. So I'm using this really dark fuchsia gloss. So we're gonna just put on some of that. Wow, I really like this. It was less than $4. I would say it was like maybe about $1 per lip gloss. Last but not least, we're gonna put on eyelashes. Yes, I know eyelashes kind of makes or breaks the thing. I've been wearing eyelashes ever since I saw my mom do them when I was a little girl. You don't need a whole lot of lashes to make it look substantial. I like to wear lashes, I just don't like when there's too much. So I cut off what I don't want. The secret with lash glue is when you apply it, don't automatically put it on. You gotta wait like a couple minutes. Here's the sad part of wearing lashes and wearing glasses. It's virtually impossible. Some women make it work, you know. For me, I don't like lashes touching my glass. Usually it's the end lash that flares out more, so you know what eye to put it on. You just carefully look at, put it in the middle, or I should say make it touch in the middle, okay? And then adjust the back side first. It's easier to go in the front and just adjust that. Or you can do it opposite, whatever's your preference. I like to adjust the back first. That concludes my makeup applying thing. So I'm gonna make my hair nice and then I'll show you all what the final product is. You're gonna love it. I know I already do. Well guys, I had a lot of fun doing my makeover, my hair. Shout out to my friend who blessed me with a hairstyle. She came through, man. She came through. I think this is a great motivator for me to upkeep my look, okay? And then I must upkeep my hair too. But I love it. I feel good about it. I feel good about where I'm going. And like I said, this is a new season, therefore I need a new look. And this came at the perfect time. So I'll see all of you later. Thank you for joining me on my makeover and on the 4th day of my 40-day launch. I'll see everybody later. Thank you.